Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 6 of Hybrid Anatomy. This week is going to be all about cell structure and function. We're going to be transitioning from our intro to anatomy stuff into more of the cellular stuff, and we'll be starting our histology unit. Some announcements for the week. The expectation is you take notes as you watch the Edpuzzles. I haven't been checking notes, but for these next couple of units, it's going to be really important that you take notes. For copies of those notes, you can see the Intro to Anatomy and Physiology unit folder and has all the introductory notes. And then there will be a new folder posted all about tissues since we're starting that unit this week. We will not have class on Friday because of Professional Development Day. The schedule has been changed so that DEFG will meet on Thursday instead. So no anatomy on Thursday. Friday you get the day off. I will have a Zoom meeting next Wednesday to check in with cohort B since you will be doing the same assignment as cohort A remotely, and so just to check in, make sure everything is clear and everyone's on the same page. Progress reports go out this Friday, so if you owe me any work, you need to get it to me by today. The objectives for the week are you're going to relate the structure of a cell to its function, and you will identify which cell organelles have the most prominent roles in a cell based on the cell's function. So we'll be doing some review of cell organelles from bio. And talking about which organelles have the most important job based on the function of the cell in the body. Here's the agenda for the week. It's a short agenda. Wednesday, we have the test. In the morning, you'll do the review. 7:50 for those of you in B block, 8:20 for those of you in C block. And then between 12 and 1, everyone in anatomy will come and join that Zoom meeting to take the test. You'll have until 1 o'clock to do it. Thursday, no class because DEFG is going to meet instead. And so I'm not going to post any remote work for people in anatomy that day either. On Monday, we're going to introduce tissues by talking about cell structure and function. We're going to do 2 activities. One where we're going to look at the overall structure of a cell, the shape of a cell, and how its shape helps it achieve its function. And then we'll review the different parts of a cell, and we will do the which organelle activity. Explain which organelles do we think has the most prominent role or the most important role in helping that cell achieve its function in the body. Those of you who are in cohort B, you're going to be doing the same thing as those in cohort A in class. In the morning, you'll fill out the attendance tracker. Please wait to do the attendance trackers until the day that they are due. If you do them early, I cannot mark you present for the day that they are due. So wait to do them until the day that they are actually due. There'll be some videos with directions and the review of cell organelles to help you do the 2 activities that the other cohort is doing in person in class. And just to make sure everyone is on the same page and understands everything, cohort B, we will have a meeting Wednesday morning to go over the assignment from Monday. Cohort A, you're welcome to attend this meeting too if you want, but you do not have to. And there will be more work posted as we progress into our histology unit. That's it for this week. Happy studying. If you have any questions on any of these assignments, please send me an email and enjoy your day off on Friday.